Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Rika.
What do you want to say to Rika?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How are you?
I am good.
Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
It is about 200 kilometers.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
How is she?
She is pretty.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $10.
How much does this cost?
This costs $20.
How much money do you make?
I make $2 per hour.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
What is today's date?
Today is December 19th.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
What does he do for work?
He is a doctor.
What time is it?
It is 10:15.
What time is checkout?
The checkout time is 11:30.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it is good.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Where is an ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near the supermarket.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 30th.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping.
How is the weather?
It is very cold.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 1 p.m.
Is it ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 20 minutes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 8:30 a.m.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 150 pounds.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Why are you late?
I had car trouble.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I have volunteered before.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer evening walks.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 7 hours.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost $500.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
Are you good at solving puzzles?
Yes, I like solving puzzles.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games.
Why did you choose this career?
It aligns with my passion.
Are you good at playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
Did you attend any meetings today?
Yes, I had a few meetings.
How many countries have you visited?
I've visited 5 countries.
How much time do you spend on social media?
I spend an hour daily.
How many books have you read this month?
I have read 3 books.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new laptop.
Why did you move to this city?
For better job opportunities.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I have been to a few music festivals.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Why did you learn programming?
To pursue a tech career.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am going to the party.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
How many emails do you receive daily?
I receive around 50 emails.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Why did you choose that color?
It's my favorite color.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to a concert.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
How many friends do you have?
I have 5 close friends.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m.
Why did you start exercising?
For a healthier lifestyle.
How much time do you spend commuting?
I spend 30 minutes commuting.
How much do you tip at restaurants?
I tip 15%.
Why did you buy a new car?
My old car broke down.
How much time do you spend cooking?
I spend 30 minutes cooking.
Why did you start a blog?
To share my experiences.
How many pets do you have?
I have 2 cats.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Why did you choose that college?
It offered my desired program.
How many hours do you work per week?
I work 40 hours a week.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy food.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
No, I haven't tried bungee jumping.
What is your favorite music genre?
I love rock music.
Why did you start gardening?
To connect with nature.
How much time do you spend on a hobby?
I spend 2 hours daily.
How much do you spend on groceries?
I spend $100 weekly.
Why did you start meditating?
For mental peace.
How many cups of coffee do you drink?
I drink 2 cups daily.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want a new camera.
How much do you spend on clothes?
I spend $50 monthly.
Why did you choose that hairstyle?
It suits my face shape.
How many hours do you spend on work?
I work 8 hours daily.
Why did you start learning guitar?
To explore my musical side.
How much do you save each month?
I save $200 monthly.
Why did you start a fitness routine?
To stay healthy and fit.
How much do you pay for rent?
I pay $1,000 monthly.
Why did you choose that restaurant?
It has great reviews.
How many cups of water do you drink?
I drink 8 cups daily.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and relax.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
I spend 2 hours daily.
Why did you start a podcast?
To share my thoughts.
How many hours do you study per day?
I study for 3 hours.
What do you want for your anniversary?
I want a weekend getaway.
Why did you start painting?
It's a therapeutic activity.
How much do you spend on utilities?
I spend $150 monthly.
Why did you adopt a pet?
To have a companion.
How many hours do you spend on Netflix?
I watch for 2 hours.
What do you want for your graduation?
I want a new laptop.
Why did you start a small business?
To be my own boss.
How much do you spend on gas?
I spend $50 weekly.
Why did you choose that major?
It aligns with my interests.
How many hours do you work out?
I work out for 1 hour.
What do you want for Valentine's Day?
I want a heartfelt letter.
Why did you start a book club?
To discuss literature.
How much do you spend on gifts?
I spend $100 monthly.
Why did you choose that car?
It's fuel efficient.
How many hours do you volunteer?
I volunteer for 2 hours.
What do you want for your promotion?
I want a pay raise.
Why did you start a photography hobby?
To capture memories.
How much do you spend on a haircut?
I spend $30 every month.
Why did you choose that travel destination?
It's on my bucket list.
How many hours do you sleep on weekends?
I sleep for 9 hours.
What do you want for Mother's Day?
I want a spa day.
Why did you start learning a new language?
To broaden my horizons.
How much do you spend on home decor?
I spend $50 monthly.
Why did you choose that username?
It's unique and personal.
How many hours do you spend with family?
I spend 3 hours daily.
What do you want for Father's Day?
I want a new tool set.
Why did you start a vegetable garden?
To eat fresh produce.
How much do you spend on coffee?
I spend $20 monthly.
Why did you choose that workout routine?
It suits my fitness goals.
How many hours do you spend in nature?
I spend 2 hours weekly.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a fitness tracker.
Why did you start a cooking class?
To improve my skills.
How much do you spend on skincare?
I spend $30 monthly.
Why did you choose that career path?
It aligns with my passion.
What do you want for your retirement?
I want to travel the world.
Why did you start a journal to document?
My thoughts.
How much do you spend on technology?
I spend $100 monthly.
Why did you choose that workout class?
It's challenging and fun.
How many hours do you spend on hobbies?
I spend 5 hours weekly.
What do you want for your anniversary?
I want a romantic dinner.
How much do you spend on entertainment?
I spend $50 monthly.
Why did you choose that haircut?
It's trendy and low maintenance.
How many hours do you spend reading?
I read for 1 hour daily.
What do you want for your graduation?
I want a new laptop.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled abroad.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I am not a vegetarian.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sibling.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's not raining.
Are you a sports fan?
Yes, I am a sports fan.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
No, I have never met a celebrity.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
Are you good at multitasking?
Yes, I am good at multitasking.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I plan to relax over the weekend.
Are you a morning coffee person?
Yes, I need my morning.
Have you ever been skydiving?
No, I have never been skydiving.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Are you good with technology?
Yes, I am comfortable with technology.
Are you a good dancer?
No, I am not a good dancer.
Are you planning a vacation soon?
Yes, I am planning a vacation.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Yes, I like staying active.
Are you good at remembering names?
No, I struggle with remembering names.
Did you have a busy day at work?
Yes, it was quite busy.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Have you ever tried a new cuisine?
Yes, I enjoy exploring different cuisines.
Are you good at keeping secrets?
Yes, I can keep a secret.
Did you attend any classes today?
No, I had the day off.
Are you a good swimmer?
No, I am not a good swimmer.
Did you watch the sunrise today?
No, I missed it today.
Are you a good public speaker?
Yes, I am comfortable speaking in public.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I've been on several road trips.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.